Hi everyone and welcome to Simple Fresh Flavors with Emily. Today I'm going to be making a chilled Mexican street corn salad. Mexican street corn is an ear of charred corn that's been slathered in mayonnaise and covered with this hard, salty white cheese called cojita. I think it is an amazing concept and the flavor combination is extraordinary. However, it can be kind of messy to eat and some people don't like to eat corn right off the cob. So I have this light, refreshing salad covered in a tangy, creamy dressing. It is out of this world. So let's get started. I'm going to start this salad by charring 5 ears of steamed corn. You could also substitute 4 cups of frozen corn. I lightly spray a grill pan or griddle with olive oil and sear the corn on all sides until it has a deep caramel color. While my griddle is hot, I'm going to char some green onions. Don't skip this step. Charred scallions are amazing, and if you take nothing else from this recipe, I'm telling you to try charred green onions.
So I looked at this and I thought to myself, I did do 5 ears of corn, but that's not 4 cups worth of corn. You know, ears differ, they're smaller, you just never know what's gonna happen. So I've done this before and it's totally fine, no one ever knows. Just pour some frozen corn in there. The majority of the corn will still have the charred flavor, and this will end up thawing by the time anyone eats it. So just do that, no one's ever gonna know, trust me.
Next, I'm going to dice my scallions, a Roma tomato, and half a red onion into bite-sized pieces. Add that to your corn. Okay, so next I'm going to add this cojita, which I said is a hard, salty white cheese. But in a pinch, I have added feta and Parmesan, sub for sub. It's totally fine. It tastes just as good. I will do anything to not have to go to the grocery store if I don't have to. So I'm all about a sub. For the tangy dressing, I'm going to combine a 1/4 cup mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup fresh lime juice, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chili lime seasoning, and a pinch of salt. Add the dressing to the veggies and toss to coat. Make sure to taste test for seasonings at this point. When you find you have just the right amount of salt, add a little more. Chilling food always results in a little less flavor. So I let this chill in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Let everybody get to know each other in there, get all the flavors together, feeling good. To serve it, I just put it in this pretty white dish because we don't want to distract from this color. It's what's going on here. So I also added a little bit more cojita to the top just for a little zing, and then some chili lime seasoning to the top as well. It's such a pretty red color. And then my local Walmart did not have any cilantro today, y'all. So I improvised and put a lime on top because I was like a little green just to give a pop of color. If you like what you saw today, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and a follow for more simple, fresh flavors. Bye, y'all.